Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are safe, healthy and doing great. Yes, welcome back to Bloom German. Friends, today we will discuss a very important or most frequently asked topic, that is how to crack B1's Sprechen exam in detail with lots of tips and tricks. So do watch this video till the end. So let's get started. Schau mal! First, we will see the pattern of B1's Sprechen exam. Total marks 100. Passing marks 60. Sprechen exam time is 15 minutes. Prep time is 10 to 15 minutes. Teil1. Gemeinsam etwas planen. Here you will get only one option. Teil2. Ein Thema präsentieren. Here you will get two options. Auf die Fragen reagieren. Rückmeldung geben. Eine Frage stellen. First, we will discuss during the prep time what you should do and what you should not do. Examiner will give you a rough sheet and a question paper. Read the question properly and understand. Check the tenses of the question, whether it is perfect tense, past tense, future tense or present tense. Write only pointers. Sentence writing is not allowed. Frame 3 to 4 questions for Teil1. Mostly here you have to frame the W-Frage. Don't fill the complete sheet. Here I will give you lots of tips and tricks for the B1 Sprechen exam that I personally feel effective. First is maintain a proper eye contact with the examiner. Speak little but in points with small sentences. Here avoid framing long sentences that might confuse you. Speak slow but with confidence. Don't look at the sheet during exam. Always try to take the initiative during Sprechen Teil1 exam. Don't repeat the pointers or the sentences. Speak in a proper structured sentence. Klar? Now we will discuss the structures of all tiles, and also here I will give you the star topics, that is important topics. First we will see Teil1, that is gemeinsam etwas planen. Here you have to plan with your partner or discuss with your partner on topics such as eine Überraschungsparty organisieren und Geschenk aussuchen, Klassenfahrt organisieren, Gruppe organisieren und für den Test lernen, Umzug planen, PC kaufen, Ausstellung organisieren und Feier planen. Now we will see the star topics for Teil2, that is ein Thema präsentieren. Here you will get two options. From that you have to speak on only one option. You have to speak on the themes like brauchen wir Fitnessstudio, Haustiere, ja oder nein? Sollen Kinder ein Konto eröffnen? Wo wohnt man besser? Auf dem Land oder in der Stadt? Einkaufen rund um die Uhr. Studium oder Ausbildung. Sport als Beruf. These are some of the important topics. Now we will discuss the detailed structure of Teil2. Teil2. Die Struktur der Präsentation. Folie 1. Here you have to introduce your topic and say 2 or 3 opening sentences for your topic and give a short structure of your presentation. Folie 2. Based on the theme, give your personal life experience with one concrete example. Folie 3. Here you have to explain your country situation based on the theme. Sometimes you can compare the situation of your country with the European countries. Följa vier Vorteile und Nachteile, that is advantages and disadvantages. Here you have to frame one or two advantage and disadvantages based on your theme. If you give example, it is good. Folie 5, Zusammenfassung. Here you have to wind up or close your presentation with a clear opinion with 2 or 3 sentences, and then Abschluss und Dank. If you want detailed presentation, then don't forget to check out our channel. Teil 3. Auf die Fragen reagieren, Rückmeldung geben und eine Frage stellen. After your presentation, you have been asked by 2 questions, one from the candidate and another from the examiner based on your presentation. But here is not the end of your exam. Now you have to listen carefully to the another candidate presentation. Then you have to ask one question based on his presentation. So now this is the end of the B1 Sprechen exam. I hope you have learned and understood the today's topic. And yes, you find it really helpful. So don't forget to write down your comment in the comment section. And yes, do like, share and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Herzlichen Dank, vielen Dank, vielen lieben Dank. Auf Wiedersehen.